second part of the dipping clean regarding the water tank and the hydraulic part. We suggest to use a specific cleaning and descaling products. Mix the products directly in the mug. Follow the products instruction. You put amount of products and then fill the mug with 10 cups of water. Fill the mug with 10 cups of water and the scaling products, and later put inside the machine water tank, slowly. Put the mug down the machine, push grinding off function, and then start the brew. Let the machine brew all the water in the water tank. When the machine finishes to brew all the water with the cleaning products, through this wash very well, and then fill again 10 cups of clean water in the water tank and repeat again all the cycle. After finish the cycle with clean water, dry all with a dry mat.